The Mughals. The Mughals were a powerful and influential dynasty that ruled over the Indian subcontinent from 1526 to 1857. The Mughal Empire was founded by Zahir-ud-din Muhammad Babur, a Central Asian conqueror who descended from the Timurid dynasty and had roots in present-day Uzbekistan. Here are some key points about the Mughals and the Mughal Empire. Babur and the early Mughals. Babur laid the foundation of the Mughal Empire with his victory at the First Battle of Panipat in 1526. He established the capital at Agra and initiated a process of territorial expansion. However, it was his grandson, Akbar the Great, 1556 to 1605, who transformed the Mughal Empire into a formidable and prosperous state. Akbar's reign. Akbar is considered one of the most remarkable rulers in Indian history. He pursued policies of religious tolerance and integration, establishing a syncretic ideology known as Din-i Ilahi. Akbar undertook administrative and social reforms, expanded the empire's territories, and implemented a policy of matrimonial alliances to ensure political stability. Jahangir and Shah Jahan. Akbar was succeeded by his son, Jahangir, 1605 to 1627, who maintained the empire's stability and continued the policies of religious tolerance. His son, Shah Jahan, 1628 to 1658, is famous for constructing the Taj Mahal and other architectural marvels. However, Shah Jahan's reign was marked by increased centralization, lavish court expenditures, and conflicts with regional powers. Aurangzeb and late Mughals. Aurangzeb, 1658 to 1707, Shah Jahan's son, became the last great Mughal emperor. He pursued an orthodox and conservative Islamic policy, which led to the suppression of Hindu practices and institutions. Aurangzeb's reign saw extensive military campaigns, but the empire also faced increasing challenges and territorial losses. Art, culture, and architecture. The Mughal Empire is known for its vibrant art, culture, and architecture. Mughal emperors and nobles were patrons of the arts, supporting the production of exquisite miniature paintings, calligraphy, textiles, and jewelry. Mughal architecture blended Persian, Indian, and Islamic styles, as seen in structures like the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, and Red Fort in Delhi. Administrative system. The Mughal Empire had a sophisticated administrative system. It was centralized, with the emperor at the top of the hierarchy. The empire was divided into provinces called subas, which were further divided into districts and sub-districts. Mansabdars, who held military and administrative positions, were an integral part of the Mughal bureaucracy. Economic prosperity. The Mughal Empire witnessed economic prosperity and flourishing trade. The empire had a well-developed system of taxation, and trade routes facilitated the exchange of goods, including textiles, spices, precious stones, and agricultural products. Mughal cities like Agra, Delhi, and Lahore became centers of commerce and attracted merchants from various parts of the world. Decline and legacy. The Mughal Empire declined in the 18th century due to a combination of factors, including weak successors, regional rebellions, and invasions by foreign powers, particularly the British East India Company. The empire fragmented into numerous regional kingdoms known as the Mughal successor states. Nevertheless, the Mughals left a lasting impact on Indian history, art, and culture, shaping the composite Indo-Islamic heritage of the subcontinent. The Mughal Empire remains a significant chapter in Indian history, representing a period of artistic and cultural brilliance, political power, and architectural splendor. It was an era of remarkable achievements and a fusion of diverse cultures, leaving a lasting imprint on the Indian subcontinent.